Today on CJ Pony Parts, we're going to show you a quick and easy way on how to improve the performance of your EcoBoost with some help from Accel. The Focus ST is a great performing car right from the factory, but there's always room for improvement, so today we're going to be installing these Accel Supercoils. These are Accel Supercoil coil packs designed to fit your 2013-18 Focus ST and your 2016-18 Focus RS. They're going to be a direct fit replacement for the original coil packs and come with a black finish to maintain an OEM look. They're going to increase spark energy up to 15%, which is essential for higher boost applications and will improve your throttle response. For more information and pricing, click the link down in the description. Now let's get to the install. These coils are pretty easy to replace. The first thing you want to do is remove the engine cover. To replace this coil right here, we need to remove this intake pipe, so that's the first thing we're going to remove. And loosen both hose clamps. And once you get this clamp loosened, this pipe can come right out. We have access to all 4 coils now. All you have to do is remove the bolt that secures each one and then unplug the connector. Grab your new Accel coil, put it into the engine, snap it onto the spark plug, plug in the connector, and reinstall the bolt. Easy as that. Just do the same thing for all 4. Alright, all 4 coils are in. It was as simple as that. Now you can reinstall your intake tube. Okay, we got our Accel Supercoils installed in our 2013 Focus ST. The black finish gives it a nice stealthy look, but if you do want added color, we do offer them in different colors. Install was super straightforward and shouldn't take you more than 10 or 15 minutes, and before you know it, you'll be heading down the road.